Use Replens. Replens is a vaginal moisturizer designed to combat against vaginal dryness. Apart from moisturizing, it also provides relief against symptoms such as irritation, itching, or pain during intercourse. These symptoms could occur due to various reasons, such as due to tampon use, stress, menopause, as a premenstrual syndrome, childbirth, or because of breastfeeding. If you are interested in learning more about how to use this product, read on. Know how Replens work. Replens, which is made of 79% water, sticks to the walls of the vagina. The water then penetrates the dehydrated tissues, helping it produce its natural secretions and also helping improve the vaginal wall's elasticity. Replens also serves to remove the dry skin cells present, to make way for newer cells. Know the components of Replens. As mentioned, Replens is made mostly of purified water. Apart from it, the other components are glycerin, mineral oil, hydrogenated palm oil glyceride, Carbomer 074P, sorbic acid, and sodium hydroxide. Know how to apply Replens. Replens comes with a specially designed applicator for precise application. Take the pre-filled applicator and shake it vigorously until the lubricant goes down from the thick end towards the thin end. Now, remove the cover from the thin end by twisting it off. Bring the applicator to the vagina, letting the thin end of the applicator penetrate a little so that it is securely in contact with the vagina. The key here is to let the thin end of the applicator go as far as possible in the vagina, for effective application. Then, press the thick end of the applicator until the entire amount of Replens in the applicator is expelled in the vagina. Know of some reminders. First of all, know that Replens is compatible for use with condoms. Also, Replens is safe even if oral intercourse will occur. For best results, Replens should be applied every 2 to 3 days on a regular schedule, though it is also safe for use daily. Replens should also be applied at least 2 hours before intercourse, for proper moisturizing to occur. Finally, do not apply Replens during menstruation. Apply it once your period has completely stopped. Know the types of Replens that you could purchase. Replens is available in 2 types, an 8-count package and a 14-application package. The 8-count package contains 8 individually wrapped, pre-filled applicators. The 14-application package, on the other hand, comes with a single reusable applicator and an aluminum tube with Replens enough for 14 applications. Read the package instructions for the 14 application package to know the proper amount of Replens you will have to place in the applicator. Know of some precautions. Though Replens is generally safe to use, there have been some cases of residue or discharge after the initial use of this product. When this happens, you may want to reduce the frequency of your use of Replens. There you have it. These are some of the essential guidelines to remember in order to properly use Replens. The most important thing is that you consult with your doctor before you start using Replens, to ensure that this is the best product for your particular situation. Also, be sure to closely follow package instructions and observe its effects on you to maintain the beneficial effects of Replens. Good luck and hope this helped.